Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build a career in digital marketing and content strategy? Well, Cognizant is hiring junior online analyst CM in Bengaluru. So stay till the end for the salary details, benefits and interview tips. Don't forget because we post 3 new job updates every day, so subscribe now and let's understand a little bit about the company and the role. So Cognizant is basically a leading IT and business consulting firm working with Fortune 500 companies, and they are looking for a junior online analyst CM to work on content strategy, digital marketing, and analytics. So this role is basically a work from office with a rotational shift, and the job responsibilities would sound somewhat like as you can see on the screen. It will be a kind of developing and implementing online content strategies, analyzing market data and trends using MS Excel. Along with that, you will also involve into optimizing digital campaigns, content performances, and conducting competitive analysis and reporting. You will also ensure all content aligns with brand guidelines and all. So this is going to be somewhere your responsibilities which will be at Cognizant. And let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So who all can apply? So they have not clearly mentioned it, but as per the role, we can just try to guess that if you have the necessary skill sets like MS Excel and data analysis, or with a very good English communication skill with both written and verbal, and ability to work in rotational shift, and passion of digital marketing, SEO, and content management with the 0 to 1 year experience, then this role is for you. So let's talk about the salary and benefit that you would be getting at Cognizant. So apart from salary, it will be a handsome salary, of course. Along with that, you will also get healthcare and medical insurance, career growth and upskilling, and of course, other growths in the inclusive, collaborative work, global, exposure with Fortune 500 company and clients, because they used to work with Fortune 500 clients. So these are the benefits and things you are going to get at Cognizant. So application and all I would be mentioning in the description. Do check out and apply as soon as possible because it may expire anytime. And for interview tips and guidance, I can just tell you to be well versed with MS Excel concepts, a little bit command on analysis, focus more on your analyzing skills. They might give you some content related question as well. For example, they'll give you some brand related question or marketing related question. They might have some HR rounds as well, where they will ask to check your communication skill. They will ask some situational based question. Along with that, behavioral questions also they will ask. So these are the things they are going to ask, and you can also expect some tests, like they might conduct aptitude test, or they might call you for direct interview as well. So if you think that your skill set matches with this particular role, and if you are interested in content and brand marketing or data analytics or online analyst role, then do apply for this role. So that's it. Cognizant is hiring, and if you are into content and strategy and digital marketing, this is your chance. Subscribe to our channel because we post 3+ jobs updates daily. Don't miss your dream job now. Drop a comment if you are applying and need any help. Like, share to help more job seekers. If you comment, this will reach to more people so that more people can get benefited from it. Apply now and start your career at Cognizant. That's it for today. See you in the next video.